everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing amazing and taking care of yourself in this quarantine. So today I'm going to be talking about something which I've been doing a lot in this quarantine, in this time that I got all by myself. So I'm reading a lot, and as you all know how much I love books. So I really wanted to talk about books with you all, and I really feel that books make you a better person. So that's what I'm here to talk about today. All of my favorite books, not all of my favorite books. So I'm just going to show you 4 of my favorite books, or you can say the ones that I really liked reading. I really feel that somehow it makes me so peaceful, and it brings me a lot of joy when a book is over. So like when it's the last page, I'm like, oh god, I'm gonna finish it, oh my god. So yeah, that's me as a person. So I get really excited about that. And to all the people who read a lot of books and are bookworms, this is the video for you all. Alright, so without wasting any time, let me just get at it. Okay, so the first book that I would really like to talk about is The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. And this is the #1 bestseller, guys. And if you are into mystery and thriller and enjoy all those sorts of things, then this is the book for you all. And I have read it. I actually wanted to read it twice, but then I had other books that I had to pay attention to, so I was like, okay, goodbye for a while. But I really like this book, and I would really recommend you to read it once. A top-notch thriller and a compulsive read. Let me tell you something about this book. So it is about a girl. So the girl on the train, obviously. So to everyone else in this carriage, I must look normal. I'm doing exactly what they do. Commuting to work, making appointments, tickets, things off list. Just goes to show. Every day is the same for her, but there is something mysterious about the girl, and it is so good. I mean, I would actually recommend you all to read the book first, then watch the movie. That's what I did. And the book is much better than the movie, I feel. So yeah, this is the first book that I would really want you guys to read once. The second book is this bestseller by APJ Abdul Kalam sir. It's called Turning Points, and it's a journey through challenges, the inspiring sequel to Wings of Fire. I've read Wings of Fire, and I really liked it, and I thought it was very inspiring, and really wanted there should be another one. So I heard about it and I was like, that's great, I'll read this one too. And both of them are just amazing, and you guys have to read it. I started reading this one, and it really motivated me somehow, I would say, and it really inspired me to look at things in a different way. It is about APJ Abdul Kalam sir and his journey and all that he has seen in life, and he is sharing about this in this book, and I really liked it. So I would really recommend you all to read this one also. Okay, so the third one is this select editions, and this is a book which has 4 of these stories, and these all are really amazing. I've not read this one, and this one I've read Lee Child, The Hard Way, and I've read The Undomestic Goddess by Sophie Kinsella. And these 2 I really liked, but I think you all should really check out this book, and it's really cool, and I like the way they've made it. It just looks so interesting. So I would like you guys to probably read this one too. The fourth book is it's called What on Earth Am I Here For? It's a book by the New York Times best-selling author, and it says here that over 32 million copies were sold, and how cool is that? And it's basically it's a very inspirational, spiritual book, and it really talks about your purpose, your God, and how everything is, and life, and your surrounding, how you have to be. And it really inspired me, it motivated me in life, and I really liked this book. Whenever I was down, I read it, and I really got that hope and purpose. So yeah, this is something that you should read as well. So these are the 4 books that I want you guys to read, and these are awesome books. I've actually read many more, but I really want you guys to start with these. So I'll be sharing more of the books that I have read till now with you all. So I had got a lot of comments on my YouTube and many places that please tell us the books that you really like. So here the video is. Yeah, that's it. Also let me know in the comment section what you guys want me to put on my YouTube channel next. And I'm so sorry I've been so inactive because so many things are going on. But I finally got the time. I was reading a lot, so I thought that maybe I should put out a video on books. So here it is, and thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for loving and supporting me, and many more videos are coming on the way. Also, I would like to say that guys, let's not spread any hate anywhere. Always be positive in life, stop spreading negativity around, and be thankful for what you have. Be positive, give happiness to people, try to be motivated, try to look on the brighter side, I would say, because these are such tough times right now. So yeah, that's it, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much. I love you all.